Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bloody bandages for cosplay, costume use, and reenacting purposes. Here you can see my bloody bandages that I have so far. Here's one rolled up and here's one unrolled that is severely bloodied. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a bandage of some sort or fabric. You're going to need acrylic paint. You're going to need red acrylic paint, brown acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and then a mixing cup if you use a cup, or you can use a plate to put the thing on. I prefer using a cup. So let's jump right in. So what you want to do first is you're going to want to take your red acrylic paint and apply as much as you want. So I put a lot because I'm doing more than one bandage. So you're going to want to put that in the cup or your plate. Then you're going to want to apply brown. And you might be wondering, what's the brown for? Brown is to make blood, make it look darker, to kind of give it like that rusty look. Because, blood's not bright red, and it wouldn't look good or realistic. So you're going to want to mix it up nice and good. And once that's mixed up, then you can continue on to the next step. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply random splotches like so. Then once you apply a splotch, put markings around it if you want. And then you're going to want to continue that for the whole bandage. My one tip of advice that I have is don't completely cover the whole thing in paint. Unless you're going for a more severely wounded, bled out look. But what I do is I spread it out. The one bandage that I showed as an end result earlier in the video, that was one of my earlier trial and error ones. It wasn't the best. So you're gonna want to anyway, you're gonna want to continue to do that for the whole bandage. And then once you're done with that, you can move on to the next step. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to add a little bit of water to your paint. Water it down a little. There's probably a term for it, but I'm not sure. You want to take that watered paint and just drizzle it over the bandages. Add some more effect. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your bandage on the wax paper so that way when it dries it does not stick, and that's all there is to it. So please like the video, and that's all. Thank you.